Sunday.
Sungtini sini student rock five sungtini sini travel welfare ni director malina fakya sungtini five angke sini stipend scholarship problem ni bagai sung phali mani angke sung bigato 3 din dore 3 days dore sungor tini file tongayo sini student of like depriving za obonoti and sini director malai ke bosaw norok deprive tang di hinai ketak main hinke borok sai rohoro kabang student total 23,000 above 24 something over high 24,000 something student tapsu jorate scholarship manya ko over hinsa
Sebesar pemain yang lain sama nih.
ke borok saw within 1 month ni bisingo borok try khaine in sautai ko try khai tong sautai ke borok saw te kisa sini oro department hoite মানে tribal welfare department hoite sini officer sing roha kam karon sini all lockdown ni karone sing daily rohor me ngi tongkha abok saw fresh student jara scholarship ni 11,625 jona tapsu jorati borok aboniti pending lai tongkha ke daily wo borok tabuk jorati demand khai tongo direct ni ko 28 crore oba hai kai borok package sanction hoi tongta ke tini te kisa box jar gramin bank ni jar problem ngi tongai ro gramin bank ni problem ngi tongai rong 750 borok report dikha 750 o borok tini chairman gramin bank ni chairman borok letter already hokain sabo ke aron bisingo jara gramin bank problem tongai ro clarification thang ni sabo ke tekisha sabo website abo jo teri rizanga gramin bank obai sa
One month bising mai kena rok sekang kesawar dekenya.
One month bising mai ke sung amo decision klaine sung kotor sawapon thangai mano ke tekisa sini joint director sini sir joint director sir S sen ne bini phone number sung tui feke sung jotono student number rona bo by final next week ne Monday wo bo by contact ID hin sawta ani bung ke sushant dekorma
Kono motha identify na student.
ha
Tini o janga phaiban na student identify na kono motha hoite.
sung kuno organization hoite sung student only student hoite sung phai